Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at AlphaCore EA, an MT5 EA built by developer Shi-He Xiong, priced at 99 US dollars to buy. It's on version 4.13. Scrolling into the description, this is built specifically for XAUUSD, with the developer describing an intelligent capital allocation system, multi-layered stop loss protection, and a smart trailing mechanism with dynamic adjustment. There is also a cost safety mechanism described as preventing profits from turning into losses and automatic position management recovery after a disconnection and reconnection. Going through usage requirements, the recommended starting capital is $500 or more, with leverage of 1:200 or higher, and a VPS suggested for continuous operation. Default parameters are described as pre-optimized, with flexible adjustment available. The listing closes with a standard risk disclaimer and a note that this provides technical analysis tools only, not investment advice. All right, so now let us get into the backtest that I ran myself. But before that, let's just briefly look at the backtest results provided here. Okay, initial deposit was $500 and total net profit was over $31 million. Total trades taken were 9,150, out of which 8,234 were profitable, giving us an 89.99% win rate. The largest profit here was 166,300, which was significantly higher than the largest loss, which was just 12,100. Average profit was 4,168.01, and the average loss was 3,484.71. In this case, the average risk to reward ratio was not exceptional because the difference between the average profit and average loss was not so, so wide. Okay, but let's head over to our strategy tester right away. All right, I want to flag something about this specific report before the numbers. Okay, it is configured to show profit in pips rather than dollars. Okay, so I'll focus on the percentage based figures, which stay meaningful either way. All right, so this test was done on a $10,000 deposit. All right, and we can see that from a $10,000 deposit, about $2,328.9 were generated in net profit. Okay, but let's break down the results. The test was conducted on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality of 99%. Now, across an extremely high 16,305 total trades, the win rate came in almost exactly at 50%. You can see just slightly below 50%. Maximum drawdown stayed very low at just over 2% on both a balance and equity basis. All right, the profit factor came in at 1.24, and the recovery factor was notably strong at 9.14, reflecting a net result well ahead of the very small drawdown experienced. Now, given the massive trade count here, This is a system compounding a fairly thin per trade edge across an enormous number of trades. All right, similar to other high frequency scalpers that I've covered, which means real world execution costs and broker spread will matter a great deal to how this actually performs live. All right, you can see how multiple trades are being executed in 1 hour, because this is the hourly time frame. And you can see the trade history. From the trade history, multiple trades being executed in 1 hour on average. All right, I'm going to recommend testing this specifically with your own broker's real spread and commission conditions, given how sensitive this style of high frequency trading is to execution costs. Okay, let's also look at the balance and equity curve. You can see that the balance and equity are very close to each other. There is no, sharp drawdown. We can't see any sharp drawdown occurring, in terms of floating loss. So the EA seems to maintain quite a steady balance and equity, even though that at some point it was going sideways, and then there was, um there was an improvement in the growth, and then suddenly started going sideways again. So basically, the growth recorded was mostly between, the ending of January and perhaps middle of March. So that was the window that recorded most of the growth based on what we can see here. Okay, so who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have observed so far, the drawdown was very well contained and the recovery factor was strong, but the underlying per trade edge is thin and multiplied across a huge number of trades. Okay, so as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. So I would recommend that you test with your own broker's real conditions before considering live usage. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.